What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to E-Rebuilds. Today, I'll be your host for today. I'm going to take over my dad's channel and just give you guys an update, let you guys know what's going on. We just completed the rebuild process on the Dodge Charger RT, so we're actually just waiting now to go ahead and decide which mods we're going to do on it. Go ahead and choose a color for the paint. We got some special things coming, guys, so just stick with us. If you got any ideas for the Charger, drop some comments below. Let us know what you think. We are taking ideas. We are taking you guys' thoughts and opinions as well. So help us out, guys. All right. So today's video, we're actually going to bring you guys along as we pick up the new build. We're going to pick up the new build. Today we're going to do a special surprise for you guys. So we're actually going back to the VQ community for today, and we're going to pick up our brand new build, our 2014 370z. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to come along with us while we go pick up our new build. We're going to do a walk around on it, see the damages. We're going to see what we have to do, what needs to be done, what parts we have to order. And I want you guys to come along. We're going to take you behind the scenes with us while I do the ordering of the parts. Even on the Charger, guys, I'm going to take you behind the scenes with us. I'll let you guys come in and see which parts I'm going to order, where I'm ordering them from. I'm going to bring you guys along for the process, so stay tuned with us, stick around with us, guys, and don't forget, come a little closer, come a little closer. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Come along. We are almost at the Copart location where we're picking up our new build, so stay tuned with us, guys. We just got off the exit, and we are approaching the Copart. We're gonna take a look at this build, see what needs to be done. I'm excited, guys. So we actually made it. We just arrived at the Copart yard. We just checked into the queue. We do have to go through the process before we can go inside and get the paperwork and title for the vehicle. Then the transporters will bring it out to us. We're gonna load it up in our trailer, guys. And yep, I brought you guys along for the process, so make sure you guys watch, you like, you comment, and you subscribe, guys. Stay with us, stick with us. And this is the new rebuild, guys. Welcome back to E-Rebuilds. Let's do it again. All right, guys, we are walking in. Get this paperwork picked up. Let's bring this build back over to the shop, guys. A lot of vehicles out here, guys. All right, guys, so we just checked out. We got our paperwork. So now we're just waiting on the forklift drivers to bring the vehicle out to us. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. We're gonna get the trailer opened up and get ready for the car to come out. So come on, guys, set up with me. All right, guys, so I see it coming out the gate. Look at that, look at that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this one loaded up. Little bit more. All right, thank you. All right, so first and foremost, the back looks great. Paint looks amazing. We'll get it back to the shop, get it taken out, really take a better look at it. See what the front looks like. All right. That's the fun stuff, guys. Oh yeah. 370Z, guys. This is our first 370 that we're adding on the channel. We got bumpers hanging. Got a lot going on, guys. We got this whole corner just smashed in, guys. But what do you think? Let me know. Comment below. Do you think e-rebuilds can handle something like this? Like I said, we're gonna get it home. We're gonna get it out of the trailer. And we're gonna take a better look at these damages. All right, guys. So let's lock up. Let's take it home. See, can we get in from this side? Woo! It's a little close there, guys. That's where the slimness comes in. Look at that. I made it through. All right, let's get this thing open. Get that emergency breaker. Does the battery work? Oh, snap. We got battery, guys. Hold on. This thing's pretty clean. All right, we're going to get it back to the shop and take a better look. Just go ahead and get this emergency brake pulled up. If I can get in here. All right, guys. We're turn on. Got the key. Oh, man. We got some ignition, guys. We got some action. All right, let's roll these windows down. So that way when I'm trying to get back in, it'll be a lot easier. Okay, we got battery, guys. Not bad, not bad. All right. All right, let's turn it off and let's head back to the headquarters. All right, guys. Welcome back. We finally made it back. We just got back to the headquarters, guys. Let's go ahead and snatch this thing out of the trailer. Let's see what we really got going on here, guys. All right. So, if you remember, I already rolled this window down, so it'll be a lot easier for me to slide on in like such. All right, guys, I'm in it. Let's go ahead and get this emergency brake down. All right. Now we got some. Whoa! It started up, guys. All right, guys, so I actually had to turn the engine off. Not sure what's going on. Maybe it's out of gas or something. So I'm just rolling back in neutral right now. Woo! Whoa, let's check it out. So this is what we got, people. 2014 370Z. Front impact. Bumpers torn up. Looks like that reinforcement's torn up underneath. Headlights and all the cosmetic things in the front are definitely damaged. Looks like there are some engine components that may have been cracked up. That's why I said we don't want to take the chance of leaving it running too long because you just never know what's going on under there. So that's why I just wanted to make sure I got it out of the trailer safely. This headlight may be okay, or the tabs may be broken. We'll have to get the hood open to really see. I think the tabs are probably broken on this one. Looks like they tried to zip tie the bumper back on. All right. Original bumper. All right, guys. Wheels look good, not too much curb rash. Let me know how it's looking, guys. Comment below. We are taking on the Nissan 370z. You see it? You see it? 370z. All my 370 lovers out there, comment below right now. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Check out that inside, guys. Clean, clean, clean. You know, we got some touching up to do, but nothing that we cannot handle. Looks like we already have the double din kit with the display. Clean, clean. Comment below, guys. Comment below. Comment below. Let me know. Let me know. So here you have it. The new build on eRebuilds, 2014 370Z. You see it. We have it home. We walked around. We checked out the damages. Let me know below what you think about this build. Let me know if we're insane for taking on this build. Let me know if you think it's an easy build. On a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being, it's not really that bad. 10 being you guys are absolutely ridiculous. Comment below and let me know how bad you all think this damage is. Is it a 1? Is it a 5? Is it a 7? Is it a 10? Comment below. Let us know what you think about these damages, guys. And I do want to thank you all for riding with me today to pick up our brand new build. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I want to thank all 1,000 plus subscribers for making this possible. Without you guys, we would not be able to do this type of thing. So please, guys, continue to like, continue to share, continue to subscribe, continue to send this out to everyone you know that loves cars, that are interested in watching these things happen right here on this channel, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. eRebuilds, we're out.